Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Quick Guide. In this tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get filters back on Instagram. So keep watching this video to know how you can do so. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notifications so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming videos. So to get back filters on your Instagram, you can head over to the filters option. Tap on the plus button. From here you can swipe left and from there tap on browse effect. Now you'll be able to search the name of the filter that you want to get back, or if it is a popular filter then you will be able to see it from these options. If you find the filter, you will also be able to save it and then use it easily. Now if I scroll back, you'll see the filter that I've just downloaded. Now I can easily use this filter. Now if the filter is not showing even after you search it, you can try to offload the Instagram application. So what you can do is tap and hold the Instagram application and then head over to app info and then tap on clear data and clear the cache. Again clear data, but before you click on clear data, make sure that you remember your Instagram account's email address and the password, because doing this will remove all the information stored in the Instagram. So make sure that you remember this, and by doing this you should be able to get back filters on Instagram. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and I'll be back soon with more videos similar to this.